Good morning YouTube, welcome to Johnny's Garden Maintenance. Hope you're all doing well, folks. Guys, so I got a call from the lovely Mary. She had a handyman on doing her garden. She wasn't happy with him. She's seen Johnny's Garden Maintenance 5-star reviews on Google, so she decided to give me a shout. So what have I got for today? Follow me. Welcome to Johnny's Garden Maintenance. So guys, I've moved some plants and shrubs here. I've left this fir. This hypericum was sitting, everything was far too close, so I just suggested to Mary that we move everything around. Moved the fascia down here. We've left this fir. We've moved this boy, so and the Chilean lantern's down there in the corner. So I'm just clearing all this out and we're ready, getting it ready now for bark. So bark's going on all the beds and around here and there and there and out the back. Stay tuned. So we cut out this section here, guys, and look what happened. The joys of running your own business. Wasn't me that done it, obviously. It was the other Johnny. Put a lawnmower in, put the lawnmower on there and I closed the door and broke it, the bloody idiot. This holly bush, you ever done the planting scheme here? The holly bush was 3 foot to the right, so I've centred that. I've moved these 2 lemon cypresses, these 2 boys here, one there, and I've moved some olive plants and shrubs on here. So this privet hedge is getting hit next. I'm taking this privet hedge across here, and then we're going to get a load of bark on here as well. I've hit this privet hedge. You should probably see this was going up a hill, so I just boom straight across. I have to tidy up these. So job's a good one. Stay tuned. Getting this bed ready for bark. I'm just going to give it a light scraping down first. Here, for instance, just scrape some of them weeds, and then I'll give it a wee raking out. Then we'll get the bark down. Guys, we're just scraping this moss and we're going to be putting down some gallop all around these areas here and around the corners. So we'll be applying that later on once we get all this shrubbery moved and we get the bark on. Then we will put down our gallop. Stay tuned, folks. Yeah, so the lovely Mary made us a cup of Colombian coffee. She made me Colombian coffee. So we'll get this stuck on this and we'll give our man a ring for the bark, and he'll be over there in half an hour for the bark, and we'll get the bark on the bed, so stay tuned. Alright folks, so 5 ton of bark has just landed and we're going to get it on these beds, so stay tuned.